यार बड़ी बोरियत हो रही है, कहीं घूमने चलते हैं.
Where do you wanna go?
I don't know, someplace outdoors. Take me someplace nice.
Oh, I'll take you, all right.
Hey everybody, a very happy Valentine's Day to all of you. हम हैं मेघना और राहुल and welcome to Milestones. आज का टेम्परेचर है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस और आज हम आए हैं ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज.
That's right. आज Monday है and हमारी President's Day की छुट्टी है. So we thought let's go to the Brooklyn Bridge and we'll do a quick walk from the Brooklyn side of the bridge to the Manhattan side of the bridge. So I'm sure आपको हमारे पीछे Brooklyn Bridge का एक arch दिख रहा होगा. And as we move ahead, we'll also show you the Manhattan skyline, which just looks absolutely wonderful, regardless of the weather. As some of you may already know, Brooklyn Bridge, New York City का one of the most famous tourist attractions में से एक है. And for our South Asian viewers and Bollywood fans, you might also recognize this bridge from Shah Rukh Khan's movie कल होना हो, जिसके टाइटल ट्रैक के कुछ पार्ट्स इसी ब्रिज पे शूट हुए थे.
That's right. वैसे कल होना हो से याद है कि तू शाहरुख वाला रोमांटिक पोस्ट तो बना के दिखा.
Alright, तो शाहरुख वाला गाना तो गा के सुना.
Okay, let's move on. And it takes about half an hour to cross the bridge if you're not taking any pictures.
Yeah, but no one really does that. If you are stopping for pictures, it might as well take you about a couple hours to cross this bridge, even though it is only 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers long. So without further ado, let's get going.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. So Brooklyn Bridge एक hybrid suspension bridge है which was built from 1869 to 1883. This is built on the East River connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn, and at the time of its opening it was the longest suspension bridge in the world.
So guys, इस समय जहाँ हम खड़े हैं ये ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज का अपर डेक है जहाँ पे पेडेस्ट्रियंस और साइक्लिस्ट दोनों ब्रिज के ऊपर क्रॉस करते हैं. एंड इफ यू लुक हियर नीचे यहाँ पे यू कैन सी डिफरेंट कार्स एंड व्हीकल्स दैट आर क्रॉसिंग द ब्रिज एंड दे कैन बेसिकली यूज दिस टू मूव बिटवीन मैनहट्टन एंड ब्रुकलिन. एंड फाइनली जहाँ हम अभी खड़े हैं दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट फोटो स्पॉट ऑफ द डे.
It took over 600 workers to construct this bridge. It is supported by 4 cables, each over 1,000 meters long, 15 inches thick, and is made up of 21,000 individual wires. Have you seen the movie The Greatest Showman about American entrepreneur P.T. Barnum? Well, P.T. Barnum had a very special relationship with the Brooklyn Bridge. As it turns out, the people of New York City were quite hesitant about the bridge's ability to offer safe transport to its commuters. So P.T. Barnum, along with 21 elephants, marched across the Brooklyn Bridge in May of 1884 just to show how sturdy the bridge was. Too bad it didn't make it into the movie. So even though not everyone has a holiday on President's Day, you can still see quite a few people outside walking on the Brooklyn Bridge who are out here with their friends, with their family, with their pets, and then having a good job, and they're just generally enjoying what is a beautiful, cold winter afternoon. Behind my back, you can also see the Manhattan skyline appearing as we move closer from Brooklyn to Manhattan.
ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज के डिजाइन और कंस्ट्रक्शन की कहानी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग बट ट्रैजिक है। द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ दिस ब्रिज वाज जॉन ऑगस्टस रोबलिंग, जो कि एक जर्मन बॉर्न अमेरिकन सिविल इंजीनियर थे। रोबलिंग unfortunately died in 1869 because of a tetanus infection that he got because a ferry crushed his foot while he was taking measurements for the bridge. उनका काम उनके बेटे वॉशिंगटन ऑगस्टस रोबलिंग ने कंटिन्यू किया, लेकिन सैडली वॉशिंगटन और काफी सारे वर्कर्स को डीकम्प्रेशन सिकनेस नाम की एक बीमारी हो गई। फाइनली वॉशिंगटन की वाइफ एमिली रोबलिंग ने अपने आप इंजीनियरिंग सीख के इस प्रोजेक्ट को संभाला और अगले 11 साल तक अपने हस्बैंड और कंस्ट्रक्शन क्रू के बीच लाइजन एस्टैब्लिश किया। As I mentioned earlier, इस ब्रिज को pedestrians, cyclists और vehicles सब यूज करते हैं। But did you know, on an average, 10,000 pedestrians, 4,000 cyclists, and 100,000 vehicles use this bridge every day? Impressive, right? So guys, as you can see, सामने ब्रिज के साइड्स में लाइट्स लगी हैं which are now turning on because it's almost close to evening time. And let me tell you, रात के टाइम ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज equally सुंदर लगता है. So we'll try, maybe one of these days we'll come during the night time. Alright, back in New York City. Yay! Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!